The TH sound. It's one of those sounds that can be quite challenging for many learners of English. It can be a bit tricky, can't it? Many people struggle with it at first, but that's completely normal. This sound, so common in English, often trips up learners, but don't worry, it's not impossible. With the right techniques and a bit of patience, you can get it right. With a little guidance and some practice, you can master this sound and speak English more clearly and confidently. It's all about understanding the mechanics and practicing regularly. The first step is understanding that TH isn't one sound, but two. This is a crucial point that many learners overlook. We have the voiced TH and the unvoiced TH. Each has its own unique sound and mouth position. Don't let the names scare you, we'll break it down together. Understanding the difference is key to mastering both sounds. Once you understand the difference, you're well on your way to making that perfect TH sound. It's all about practice and persistence. Remember, even native speakers had to learn this once, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing and you'll get there. Let's start with the voiced TH. This sound is common in many English words and can be tricky for non-native speakers. Put your fingers on your throat. Say this. Notice how your vocal cords engage. Feel the vibration. That's your vocal cords working. This vibration is essential for producing the voiced TH sound. Now for the unvoiced TH, put your fingers on your throat and say thing. Notice the difference? No vibration, right? That's the key difference. The unvoiced TH doesn't use your vocal cords. To make both sounds, put your tongue tip between your teeth. This placement is crucial for accurate pronunciation. For the voiced TH, like in mother, you vibrate your vocal cords. This gives the sound its distinct quality. For the unvoiced TH, like in three, you push air out, but don't vibrate your vocal cords. It's a softer sound. It might feel strange at first, but keep practicing. Consistency is key to mastering these sounds. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic the way they pronounce words with TH. You'll get there. With time and practice, these sounds will become second nature. Ready to practice? Let's start with some words. For the voiced TH, try these, that, these, those, father, weather. Repeat them slowly, focusing on the vibration in your throat. Now for the unvoiced TH. Thank, think, thin, bath, month. Remember, no vibration this time, just air. Practice these words until you feel comfortable with the sound. The key is to keep practicing. Try reading aloud, even if it's just a paragraph a day. The more you use the TH sound, the more natural it will become. Section 4. Tricky TH traps. In this section, we will dive deep into the common pitfalls and mistakes that learners often encounter when trying to master the TH sound in English. Even with practice, there are some common mistakes learners make with the TH sound. These mistakes can be frustrating, but understanding them is the first step to overcoming them. One is substituting it with other sounds like D for voiced TH, making this become dis. This happens because the tongue placement for D is similar, but not quite the same. Another common substitution is using S for unvoiced TH, turning thing into sing. This mistake occurs because the S sound is easier for many learners to produce. Another mistake is forgetting to put your tongue between your teeth. This is crucial for producing the correct TH sound. It seems obvious, but it's easy to forget when you're focusing on other aspects of pronunciation. Sometimes learners get so caught up in the flow of speaking that they neglect this small but important detail. The good news is these mistakes are easily avoidable. With a bit of attention and practice, you can correct these errors and improve your pronunciation significantly. Just remember to focus on your tongue placement and the difference between voiced and unvoiced. Voiced TH sounds like the in this, while unvoiced TH sounds like the in thing. And don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. Learning a new language should be fun. Embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and celebrate your progress along the way. Section 5. Tongue twisting fun. Ready for a challenge? Tongue twisters are a fun way to practice the TH sound. Try this one. 30 thirsty thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Not easy, right? Here's another. Whether the weather is warm, whether the weather is hot, we have to put up with the weather, whether we like it or not. Repeat these tongue twisters several times, focusing on the TH sound. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right away. Keep practicing, have fun with it, and you'll be mastering the TH sound in no time.